we're back again at Sparty headquarters. Got a 06 Toyota 4runner, power steering leak.
Yeah, so yeah. Down here to the actual leak, which is there. Pretty bad.
And actions, and there are ways of saying
Everywhere, dude.
to ourselves
It's like little polyps.
that I believe are far
So we gotta
more effective, and I
get
don't
that
think
off
that
somehow, eh?
just helps.
Thank you.
Did we throw our bolts in there?
Yeah. Anything metal. Okay, so here's what we got going. There's one of the brackets. There's the other bracket. This line probably be used, be changed here quick, but it's not the leaky one. So it goes all the way up there into the reservoir. Yeah. So in this scene coming up here, it shows us using regular power steering fluid. It wasn't until afterwards I realized that it's supposed to be Textron 3. After doing some research, I found that the generic power steering fluid is Dex 2 and 3 compatible. When we got the vehicle, it was basically flushed with regular power steering fluid at the rate they were losing fluid. So we just stuck with that fluid and it worked just fine. Alright, so we got the new line on. We're gonna fill her up. Yeah, she went down already.
Actually.
And then, yeah. Bleed the system. And
Where were you talking about? From the control arm where it mounts?
I was saying right in the middle there.
Oh, from the cross member? Serious.
Alright, well, we are pretty much done. We'll roll her down and kind of give it a whirl. Touched up the headlights with some skeeter spray for now. Turned my light. Yeah. Check the leaks. We still gotta throw the skid plate back on, but we're gonna do that after. And send it down the road. We hope you enjoyed the video today. If you want to help out the channel, you can do so by liking, commenting, or subscribing.
and also sharing with your friends too. Leave the room in and we'll pop the hood and check the leaks again. Wow, that fluid looks a lot better. Oh yeah, I want to throw some more in.
Yeah, we good.
Perfect. No more bubbles. Good. Go ahead and give her more crank too. We'll lock and whatnot. Yeah, no bubbles.